YouTube meetup, YouTube meetup, YouTube meetup. Squat, September 6th. Oh my God. Whew. Stretch and stretch. Gotta get fit. Gotta get sexy. Yeah. Gotta get sexy. And go and 1 and 2 and YouTube meetup, meetup, oh meetup, meetup, oh meetup, 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 meetup in Tokyo, in Tokyo. We gotta meetup, 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 meetup. Meetup, meetup, oh meetup, 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 oh meetup, meetup, September 6th, oh, Playvloggers and subscribers, J-Vloggers and subscribers, hey, we're gonna meet up, meet up, meet up. And Shane says I can't dance. Oh God, those girls are so hot. Charlotte. Charlotte's gonna be there. Rachel. Come on, Drake. Come on, do it for Rachel. Rachel. Sorry, June. Rachel's married. Never mind. No harm. Sandra Sakai. She's single. Hello. All that weight loss Wednesdays. I need to join that. Oh. And then, that's so Reagan, the vegan, the body of a god. I hate him. Oh my God. Then Shane, slim and taller than me, and he's white. Damn it. I gotta work harder. And then Victor, king of morons. You know, no competition. He's old. Kaz from Japan. Hi, Kaz, my crush for the week. Woo, so hot, sweet, isn't it? Woo, yeah, just get ready for this YouTube meetup, guys. It's gonna be so bomb. It's straight fire. Woot woot, yeah. But since I clearly won't be ripped by that time, I'll do what I can do. I'm talking about the YouTube meetup September 6th. I'm talking loud in Tokyo. The J-Vloggers will always appreciate you, or subscribers who click the link below. We're not bulletproof, we speak the truth. Subscribe away, subscribe away. Meet us there, September 6th, in Tokyo, that's where we'll be. Like the vid, then come away. I can't hit a high note, I'm done, that's it, bye.